Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ada here again, and of course another cleaning motivation. So today this video is actually very long, so I'm going to be splitting it into two. I'm going to be making this, so this will be like the part one, and then we'll have a part two. So yeah, so that way we don't have like really long videos to watch. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new on here, you definitely want to join. I do everything cleaning, motivation, organization, motherhood, lifestyle, and vlogs, all of that good stuff. So you definitely want to be here. Okay, so do go ahead and join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button and also clicking on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And after this video, please don't forget to don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and share this video with your friends and family if you enjoyed watching it. So let's go ahead. So I'll just be doing downstairs and clearing up. Of course, you can see I have a whole lot going on, so I'm going to be cleaning out everything. guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestion, please leave that in the comment section. If you have any type of content you want me to do, like you guys, this year, like I said, I am all up for creating content. If you have any other type of video you want to see me do, just to go ahead and tell me in the comment section. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. We are on our way to, I think, 1-2, so let's be on our way to 2K at this point. So yeah, let's keep going. Share this video, like and subscribe. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.